Hello guys, I'm Ricky from Matismart. Today we will present you our 10K series circuit breaker. Here you will see the whole series with the MCB parts. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 poles, and then RCCB parts for earth leakage protection. The RCBO parts together with this one. Alright, so this is the whole series. In our previous video, we already done a lot of presentation of our reclosers that match with our circuit breakers, this 10K series, perfectly. However, in this video, we will focus more on to introduce all these details. Here you will see the whole series. They're very specially carefully designed with all the same series lines, the height, the logos, the designs, and the indicators to show on or off positions. And then here we have the windows to mark where it was used. Air condition, television, lightings, and this is the test buttons for the earth leakage parts, the black handles to show on each of them. Okay, so this is the output terminals. You will see the bus bar connections, especially designed for the bus bars and adjusters, and then wiring connections. Here we have the special parts, the metal with the extra metal parts here. This will stop the mistake wirings, and the black handles, black clips downside, all the same designs. Now let's come to see the input terminals. It's also the same height, the same design with the curve, and the bus bar connections, adjusters, wirings, the same mistake wirings, avoid this. So now let's come to see. Here is the breakers here, 1 pole, 2 pole. Now you will see on or off, very durable. And then this is the window I just mentioned. Here you can note where it is used for lighting, air condition, television, whatever. We have the curve design here very perfectly, and all the whole series we have the patent protected. And here we have the curves with a small gap here. When we put the circuit breaker combined together like this, and then this will be a small gap here for the air flow to reduce the temperatures. It can be used in a high temperature use up to 60 temperature degrees. So also we have the auxiliary parts here, both sides. We can add on the auxiliaries, the shunt release, the under over voltage parts. Okay, so very durable, special design. Now let's come to see the earth leakage RCCB. We have the 2 pole, 4 pole for single phase and 3 phase. This one we have the type A, type AC, and the earth leakage value can be chosen from 10, 30, 50, 100, 30 up to 500 milliamps. Okay, so this is the test buttons, all the same curve parts. Now let's come to see our RCBO. RCBO parts is the one. This is the one with the MCB RCCB together. MCB for the overload and the short circuit protection. RCCB for the earth leakage protection. When we put them together, both functions will be used together here, these parts. So this is a very compact design, very slim, 18 milliamps width, one module with the earth leakage protection, neutral and line all together with the windows to mark. So this is a very safety, very common used. And then let's see, but this one rated current up to 32 amps. Now let's come to see this RCBO, rated current up to 40 amps. It is much bigger, but this is also very specially designed that here you will see we have a split handles, black and white. When the overload or short circuit electric faults happens, it will protect with the black handles only. And then when the earth leakage fault happens, when people get electric shock, it will trip together. In this case, the maintenance electrician go on site. He will check and see and understand what is exactly electric fault happens here. Alright, so what will be needed if we need a rated current up to 63 amps? Now, the choice is here, this one. This is a specially designed like this one. This is the parts of the MCB, alright? And then we have the add-on earth leakage parts to put them together. So the MCB, we have the 1, 2, 3, 4 pole. Rcbo parts, earth leakage parts is also the same. We have exactly the same to match them together. So all the whole series, we have the same design, patent protected, okay, the curves, and also all our breakers, we have the codes here to show when and who made this product. So it can be traceable to understand. Alright, so this is the whole series. Now our recloser 53 and 51, these two are specially designed for this whole series 10K circuit breakers to match all of them together. Whenever it is used for the domestic, for the industrial, for the machine, for the equipment, you can choose whatever you want. For the earth leakage, 4-pole, 2-pole MCB, 3 poles, you can choose the reclosers 53 to match them together, and the auto recloser match together. So this is a very simply designed, can be very widely used